Honourable Speaker, when the World Cup team came together in Taveuni and discussed and negotiated their contracts for the World Cup campaign, the then Fiji Rugby Interim Administrator advised that it was agreed that each Flying Fijian squad member, 33 players in total, would receive a sign-on fee of $30,000 and an allowance of $500 per day from 1st July to 15th October 2023. That's around 107 days. In fact, the players had asked for $600 per day, and a few players were in camp earlier, from around 1st July. With government backing and after a visit from the Honourable Prime Minister, bonuses were offered at the time of $30,000 for winning the quarterfinal, $40,000 for winning the semi-final, and $50,000 for winning the final. The bonuses were therefore based on the team's achievements and promise for after the World Cup. Honourable Speaker, in addition to the agreed payments, Fiji Rugby, Fiji government and the World Rugby paid all expenses for the Flying Fijians for the preparation and for the participation in the 2023 Rugby World Cup. All travel to, from and during camp, international air travel, all accommodation and meals, all playing and training gear, and incidentals also. This had also been budgeted for by Fiji Rugby, World Rugby, and government. On former captain's claims, Honourable Speaker, the difficulty, of course, is in the former captain's original statement where he stated that issues existed between Rugby House and the players going back 10 years. Questions had been raised on unpaid money as far back as 1987 and 2007 and 2019. But the current trustees have only been there a year, and regrettably, it will be a challenge to investigate every claim if records are not available. Honourable Speaker, there appears to have been a lot of frustration among the players, and sadly, the trustees currently at the Rugby House are taking the brunt of it. They have reached out to the players, met with several of them, and they have heeded. On other players' comments, Honourable Speaker, in various comments from the players, there has been a distinct theme of misinformation, and a lot of issues raised are simply not factual. Honourable Speaker, players' concerns raised on what happened to the £600,000, or $1.7 million Fijian dollars that World Rugby awarded for reaching the quarterfinals was very quickly answered by World Rugby in releases to the media advising that there was no prize money awarded for reaching the quarterfinals of the World Cup.